Hi, all. Welcome to another AI day. It's day number 21, and today we will check interesting topic. It seems it's not really related to AI, but it's created by AI platform. So, s- though there is no available details about how AI integrated in it, however, since it is created by AI company, so uh, there is news that it is developed as AI tool. So let's check. Very interesting topic. It's kind of related to data visualization, but uh, it's more about what's your name and over the time how uh, those names are gain popularity or uh, reduce or decrease their popularity. So the website name is baby-names.jetpack.ai. So it is created by Jetpack AI, and you just simply need to add your name here. So since it is available for USA and France, so I will first try to use common name. So here it is outcome, like from 1940s till current. We can see how this name trend was trended or trending over the time. Like we can see here line chart as well, yearly count from like here we have on y-axis we have numbers, and on x-axis we have years. So we can see that also we can change the appearance. From this, and we can check for like for uh, which country we want to search for. Like if we search same name in France, then we can see different pattern. Also let's check for another name. It's for France, and we can see here years range is changed. So it's like 1960 till now. And if we check for USA, it's 1940 till now. So I think for France, it's from 1960. Let's check another name. Yeah, for France, it's depend on the like when that names become popular. So depend on that year range will change. So earlier we can see there was no like very less frequency of this name, but in recent year this trend is increased, and again nowadays it seems this trend name trend is decreasing. So this is the basic details. It seems basic details available here. Like for RAM, we can see it is available in USA, but in France there is there is it it may be available, but there is a no mm, like there is no it was not trending, and uh, the frequency of this name is very less, so that's why it is not captured. So here we can see description, type name to see its later to grow or shrink with its popularity over time. Choose between France and US, customize color, tweak stats, share your unique visual with the world. And it is more data driven, designed by Karim Dueb or Jetpack, or visit jetpack.ai. So Karim Dueb is founder of co-founder for Jetpack AI. So with uh, like mm, ideation from Karim and support from Jetpack AI, this web portal is designed. Also, we can let's check another name. We can keep stat this line or remove, or same we can download this image or share on X, Facebook, uh, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or Reddit as well. So uh, I was not sure like how that particular AI integrated. So I tried to check, but not able to find. But it seems Jetpack AI has integrated AI in this dynamic font for appearance. So as per count or quantity, this name will change, but there is no definitive description like how AI was integrated. AI is integrated. So go check and try with your name as well. Mm, so I have found this article, yeah, this one, where more details are we can see here. Baby names automatically generated in an animation that adjusts the height of each letter to match the trend line of the name's popularity from 1930s to till date. For USA, it is Social Security Administration data set, and for France, it's National Institute of Statistics and Economic Studies. So from these two sources, they like capture data set, and for like uh, which include the top 1,000 name for every year. So like not all names are covered as we seen previously. It's only covered top 1,000 names for every year, but it's roughly comprise around 71% of all names. So we can see if you like example here, those fonts are known as dynamic fonts, and uh, Karim says the variable font is very relatively new development in typographic world, and I am fascinated by what it offer to creative people like me. So this is new, relatively new concept, and very well integrated in this project. And the visualization uses the flexible variable font by Stephen Matten. So these are flexible variable font from Stephen Matten. So we can see we can adjust height and breadth of that font. To get demo, we can see here one clip as well. So depend on the requirement, it that font can be adjusted. Had adjustable height in addition to weight or size. However, instead of all adjusting all letter, what Karim done, like he isolated individual letters height. So for each year, uh, or each decade, we can see for each letter as per that. Like this trend is for all the like complete name. However, for each letter indicate what is the trend for that particular decade or year or during that time. So it gives like a dynamic to that letter with statistical approach. Here they have provided example like for Evelyn, it was popular early in 20th century, but later uh, uh, it was considered as old fashioned, and there was no trend for this name. But uh, they are making strong comeback this name Evelyn. So depend on the culture or social behavior during that particular decade or time. Depends on that, any name can search, trend for any name can surge or decrease as well. And also skip generation pattern fading for few decades, then reappearing as their descendant begin to name kids after their grandparents or great grandparents. So we have seen this approach, like many people name their babies as per their previous uh, like grandparents or great grandparents. Also, this is one of the example, like Elon name has become much more common since around 2020, because it obviously because Elon Musk. So that information we have, and let's check this as well. So also there is a here they have provided one of the example for as I have seen somewhere, but like this for Philip name, like there may be variation in name as well. Like for Philips, we can see it is this exact name is it was a high time for Philip name in 1960, and but if we then it is like around late 1960, this particular different spell name, it was popular during 1970, 19 late 1960 as well. So go and try to search or tweak name and try to check if your name is was popular during how your name was popular during different era of, and uh, you can also take suggestion that is it good time to keep your baby's name uh, like as per trend, or you want to go against trend, that as well. So that's it for today for baby name domain. Let's meet tomorrow with another different AI related topic. Till then, have a nice time.